Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also good, beta. Welcome to your online class. My name is Miss Arpita Singh, your English teacher. Firstly, beta, tell me which date is today? Look at your beta. Today is 6th August 2020. Once again, beta, speak with me. Today is 6th August 2020. Very good. And tell me which day is today? Today is Thursday. Speak with me. Today is Thursday. Very good, beta. Now look at here. Today's our topic is what comes after. Okay. हमारा बेटा आज का टॉपिक है what comes after. Okay, बेटा. Now look at in your book. Take out your English book fast. Look at here. This is your English book. Okay. Now, beta, open page number 38. Very good. Now start reading with me. E for ape. E for arrow. A for apron. E for ape. A for arrow. A for apron. What comes after A, beta? B. B for bag. B for balloon. B for butterfly. B for bag. B for balloon. B for butterfly. What comes after B, beta? C. C for cake. C for carrot. C for crayon. C for cake. C for carrot. C for crayon. What comes after C, beta? D. D for desk. D for door. D for duster. D for desk. D for door. D for duster. Okay, now what comes after D? E. E for eye. E for eraser. E for engine. E for eye. E for eraser. E for engine. What comes after E, beta? F. F for fox. F for fox. F for flower. F for fox. F for fox. F for flower. What comes after F, beta? G. G for gun. G for grapes. G for giraffe. G for gun. G for grapes. G for giraffe. What comes after G, beta? H. H for hat. H for hand. H for hammer. H for hat. H for hand. H for hammer. Okay. Now beta, open page number 70. I for idli, I for insect, I for ice cream. I for idli, I for insect, I for ice cream. What comes after I beta? J. J for jet, J for joker, J for jacket. J for jet, J for joker, J for jacket. What comes after J beta? K. K for kitten, K for kennel, K for kangaroo. K for kitten, K for kennel, K for kangaroo. What comes after K beta? L. L for leaf, L for lamb, L for ladder. L for leaf, L for lamb, L for ladder. What comes after L beta? M. M for milk, M for moon, M for monkey. M for milk, M for moon, M for monkey. What comes after M beta? N. N for nail, N for nurse, N for needle. N for nail, N for nurse, N for needle. What comes after N beta? O. O for one, O for ostrich, O for octopus. O for one, O for ostrich, O for octopus. What comes after O beta? P. P for piano, P for papaya, P for parrot. P for piano, P for papaya, P for parrot. Okay. Now beta, open page number 104. What comes after P? Q. Q for quill, Q for question mark, Q for quiet. Q for quill, Q for question mark, Q for quiet. What comes after Q beta? R. R for rhino, R for rocket, R for racket. R for rhino, R for rocket, R for racket. What comes after R beta? S. S for slate, S for shoes, S for saucer. S for slate, S for shoes, S for saucer. What comes after S beta? T. T for tap, T for television, T for tiger. T for tap. T for television. T for tiger. What comes after T, beta? U. U for umpire. U for unicorn. U for utensils. U for umpire. U for unicorn. U for utensils. What comes after U, beta? V. V for vulture. V for village. V for vegetable. V for vulture. V for village. V for vegetables. What comes after V, beta? W. W for wheel. W for whale. W for window. W for wheel. W for whale. W for window. What comes after W, beta? X. X for Xerox. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. What comes after X, beta? Y. Y for yam. Y for yellow. Y for yogurt. Y for yam. Y for yellow. Y for yogurt. What comes after Y, beta? Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z for zigzag. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z for zigzag. Very good, beta. Now, okay, now look at here, beta. Before, between, and after. बेटा आफ्टर का मतलब बाद में, ठीक है। आफ्टर का मतलब बाद में, बिटवीन का मतलब बीच में, एंड बिफोर का मतलब पहले, ठीक है। बिफोर का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? पहले। व्हाट कम्स फर्स्ट? सबसे पहले बिफोर, देन बिटवीन बीच में, जो भी लेटर बीच में आएगा, देन आफ्टर, आफ्टर का मतलब बाद में, ओके। Look at here. What is this? Chocolate. Before, between, after. After वाला बाद में, मतलब इन दोनों के बाद में आफ्टर वाला है ना, तो बाद में जो आता है उसको क्या कहेंगे? आफ्टर। देन बिफोर, बिफोर मतलब पहले। ये बिफोर है ना, जेम्स के पहले है ना डेयरी मिल्क, तो ये बिफोर में है। देन बिटवीन, बिटवीन मतलब बीच में। जेम्स कहाँ पे है? बिटवीन में है ना, ये बिटवीन है। आफ्टर, बिफोर, बिटवीन, ओके, वेरी गुड। Now take out your class work copy. Take out your class work copy, beta, and mention here today's date. Today's date is 6th August 2020. Then mention your class work. Then mention here today's topic. Today's topic is what comes after. Mention here today's topic. Okay. Very good. Now beta, start writing with me. बेटा आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर। आपको पता है व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर मतलब क्या होता है? क्या आता है बाद में। बेटा अभी जब हम लोग बुक रीडिंग कर रहे थे तो टीचर बार बार कह रही थी व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर। आप लोगों ने ये चीज नोटिस किया? टीचर ये बार बार कह रही थी ना व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर। देन इसके बाद क्या आता है? इस लेटर के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? इसका यही मीनिंग तो है ना बेटा। ओके, आप लोग को तो एबीसीडी पूरा आता है। वेरी गुड। नाउ हियर वी राइट S. Then make a arrow. Beta, tell me what comes after S? Tell me fast. What comes after S? T. Very good. Here we write T. Okay. Now here we write I. Then make a arrow. What comes after I, beta? Tell me fast. What comes after I? J. Very good. Okay. Now, beta, here we write N. Then make a arrow. Then, beta, tell me what comes after N? O. Very good. Here we write O. Okay. देन बेटा टीचर के पास तो नीचे स्पेस ही नहीं है, इसलिए टीचर यहाँ पे राइट करेंगी। ओके, बट आप लोग बेटा इसके नीचे से ही राइट करेंगे। आपकी कॉपी में स्पेस है ना बेटा, आप लोग इसके नीचे से राइट करेंगे। ओके बेटा। देन हियर वी राइट जी। देन मेक अ एरो। व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर जी बेटा? टेल मी फास्ट। H. Very good. Here we write H. Okay. Then beta, here we write E. Then make a arrow. What comes after E, beta? Tell me fast. F. Very good, beta. Then here we write F. Then here we write Y. Then make a arrow. What comes after Y, beta? Tell me fast. Z. Very good. Here we write Z. Okay. Now once again look at here. Which letter is this? S. What comes after S, beta? T. Okay. What comes after S? T. Then which letter is this, beta? I. What comes after I, beta? J. What comes after I? J. Then beta tell me which letter is this? N. Which letter is this, beta? Letter N. What comes after N? O. Okay. Then beta tell me which letter is this? G. What comes after G, beta? H. What comes after G? H. Then tell me which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. What comes after E, beta? F. What comes after E? F. Then tell me beta which letter is this? Y. Which letter is this, beta? Letter Y. What comes after Y? Z. What comes after Y? Z. Very good. Now you write all these letters in your classwork copy and write same to same what comes after in your homework copy also. Okay beta? Write fast. Very good. Okay now beta, our next topic is what comes before. बेटा अभी इसके पहले वाले टॉपिक में हमने क्या, टीचर ने आपको क्या बताया था? हम लोग का टॉपिक था व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर ना. टीचर ने आपको इसका मतलब क्या बताया था कि इसके बाद क्या आता है, इस लेटर के बाद क्या आता है. तो हम लोग का जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बेटा वो है व्हाट कम्स बिफोर, यानी कि बेटा इस लेटर के पहले क्या आता है. अभी तक तो हम लोगों ने बाद में पढ़ा है ना बेटा, बाद वाला लेटर. अब हम लोग फर्स्ट लेटर पढ़ेंगे, उसके पहले जो लेटर आता है. ओके, नाउ टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश बुक, लुक एट योर, सॉरी, लुक एट इन योर इंग्लिश कॉपी. मेंशन बेटा, जिस पेज पे हम लोग व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर वाला किए थे उस पेज पे हम लोग राइट नहीं करेंगे, उसके नेक्स्ट पेज पे राइट करेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ मेंशन योर टुडेज डेट. टुडेज डेट इज 6th August 2020. Then mention here classwork. Then mention here today's topic. Today's topic is what comes before. Okay? Now beta, start writing with me. Firstly beta, here we make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write F. What comes before S? F. F के पहले क्या आता है बेटा? What comes before F? E. What comes before F? E. Here we write E. Okay. Now here we make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write Y. What comes before Y बेटा? Y के पहले क्या आता है? Tell me fast. What comes before Y? X. Very good. Here we write X. Okay. Now here we make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write R. Tell me beta, what comes before R? Tell me fast. What comes before R beta? Q. Very good. Here we write Q. Okay. Now बेटा टीचर के पास अब स्पेस नहीं है ना नीचे, इसलिए टीचर इस साइड पे राइट करेंगी. बट आपकी कॉपी में तो स्पेस है ना बेटा, इसलिए आप लोग नीचे ही राइट करेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ here we make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write U. What comes before U beta? Tell me fast. What comes before U? T. Very good. Now here we make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write N. What comes before N beta? Tell me fast. N के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? M. Very good. Here we write M. Okay. Now here make a dash, then make a arrow, then here we write P. What comes after P before P, beta? Tell me fast. Tell me fast. What comes before P? O. Very good. Here we write O. Okay. Now look at here. Which letter is this? Letter F. Which letter is this? Letter F. What comes before F? E. What comes before F? E. And then tell me which letter is this, beta? Y. Which letter is this, beta? Y. What comes before Y? X. What comes before Y? X. Then tell me which letter is this? R. Which letter is this, beta? Letter R. What comes before R? Q. What comes before R? Q. Then tell me which letter is this? U. Which letter is this, beta? Letter U. What comes before U? T. What comes before U, beta? T. Okay. Now tell me which letter is this? N. Which letter is this, beta? Letter N. What comes before N? M. What comes before N? M. Okay. Now tell me which letter is this? P. Which letter is this, beta? P. What comes before P? O. What comes before P? O. Okay. Now you write all these letters in your classwork copy and write same to same what comes before in your homework copy also. Okay, beta? Very good. Okay, now beta, our next topic is what comes between. बेटा अभी टीचर ने आपको कौन कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ाया? व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर पढ़ाया और व्हाट कम्स बिफोर पढ़ाया. बेटा व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर में हमने क्या पढ़ा? कौन सा लेटर आता है बाद में. देन व्हाट कम्स बिफोर में हमने क्या पढ़ा? कौन सा लेटर आता है पहले. देन अब हम लोग का टॉपिक है व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन. इट मीन्स कौन सा लेटर आता है व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर और बिफोर के बीच में. ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी बेटा. बेटा जिस पेज पे हम लोग व्हाट कम्स बिफोर राइट किए थे उस पेज पे हम लोग व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन राइट नहीं करेंगे, नेक्स्ट पेज पे राइट करेंगे. ओके. मेंशन हियर टुडेज डेट. टुडेज डेट इज 6 अगस्त 2020. देन मेंशन हियर क्लास वर्क. Then mention here today's topic. Today's topic is what comes between. Okay. Now start writing, beta. Firstly, we write here F. Then make a dash. Okay. Then here we write H. Tell me, beta, what comes between F and H? F और H के बीच में बेटा कौन सा लेटर आता है? टेल मी फास्ट. G. वेरी गुड. हियर वी राइट G. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हियर वी राइट K. देन मेक अ डैश. हियर वी राइट M. Tell me, beta, what comes between K and M? Tell me fast. L. Very good. Here we write L. Okay. Then here we write S. Then make a dash. Then here we write U. What comes between S and U, beta? Tell me fast. T. Very good. Here we write T. Okay. Then बेटा टीचर के नीचे तो स्पेस नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो टीचर इस प्लेस पे राइट करेंगे और आप लोग कॉपी के नीचे ही राइट करेंगे. ओके. आपकी कॉपी में स्पेस है ना बेटा? वेरी गुड. नाउ हियर वी राइट x, then make a dash, then here we write z. What comes between x and z beta? Tell me fast. Y. Very good. Here we write y. Okay. Then beta, here we write c. Then make a dash. Then here we write E. Tell me beta, what comes between C and E? Tell me fast. D. Okay. Now, here we write R. Then make a dash. Then here we write T. Tell me beta, what comes between R and T? Tell me fast. S. Very good. Here we write S. Okay. Now look at here. Which letter is this? F. And which letter is this? H. What comes between F and H? G. What comes between F and H beta? G. Then tell me which letter is this? K. And which letter is this? M. What comes between K and M? L. What comes between K and M? L. Then tell me which letter is this? S. And which letter is this? U. What comes between S and U? T. What comes between S and U beta? T. Okay. Which letter is this? X. And which letter is this? Y. Z. What comes between X and Z beta? Y. What comes between X and Z? Y. Very good. Now tell me which letter is this? C. And which letter is this? E. What comes between C and E? D. Okay. Then tell me which letter is this? R. And which letter is this? T. What comes between R and T? S. What comes between R and T beta? S. Okay. Very good beta. Now you write what comes between in your classwork copy and write same to same what comes between in your homework copy also. Okay beta. Then look at in your cursive and small writing book. Take out your cursive and small writing book beta. Okay, now open letter S. Mention here homework and here. Okay. Mention here homework and here. Then turn your page. Mention here homework and here. बेटा हम लोग इसमें टी लेटर तक पूरा कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके बेटा. वेरी गुड. गुड बाय चिल्ड्रन.